garbage bucket. This heap's compass is spinning like a blender. There's no room in here. It's like being a canned pickle. Maybe the plant is just dizzy from our goodness. There's the sugar spiral. Oh, finally a clue! Come on, nosy McDrama! Punch it! Hold on, clownhead! The Fludge Fox is off the charts. Either the bottle's here, or someone dropped a whole bakery into a blender. That's it! Genie's bottle! It's beautiful. Like a disco ball trapped in a dream souffle.
Only those with flavor and folly may taste my spark.
Ah! Whoa! I feel effervescent. Like soda pop in my veins. Whoa. Well, fizz me sideways. We lost it. Maybe. But we got something. Whoa. If that hunk of junk twitches one more time, I'm putting it on the breakfast menu. Just one more tweak, Miss Glow. We got the spark now. Science and sugar unite. Uh-oh. I've seen soufflés rise before, but not like that. Reporting for duty, Major Meringue, sweet and precise. We did it! We made a major! He's magnificent! Structured peaks, excellent volume. He's a walking dessert duster is what he is. Disaster? Nay, my dear diner dame. I am disciplined and decadent in perfect form. Oh, he's definitely one of us. Welcome to Planet Fruit, Major. You're about to meet a whole lot of Looney. Better get the coffee on. It's gonna be a long, weird night. We are never going to find that bottle at this rate. Crime Minnie. Oh, nonsense, Poopy! Villain greatness takes time and appropriate posing. Do not call me Poopy. Do it again, and I'm launching you into a gumdrop asteroid. Empty threats, darling. You'd miss me. I'm the sparkle in this partnership. You're a sparkle, all right. Like a broken disco ball in a dumpster. Why is he wearing pastries on his feet? Confidence pastries, Poopy. They give him swagger. Everybody knows that. I swear on all the space popples. Call me that again, Poopy. Gadzooks! Give me some strength.
Seek the bottle.
If either of you slows me down, I'm leaving you behind. Relax, Poopy. We villains stick together. If we went on a cosmic treasure quest, I'd throw you into a space blender. Team bonding! Love it! Cadets! Line up! Snap to attention! Sweetness without structure is chaos. Yes, sir! With Commander, sir! Ow! But also, yes, sir! Absolutely, sir! Precision! Poise! Peak stiff peaks! We rise! We do not sag! Victory requires discipline and fabulous posture! Note to self, posture equals pastry power. Oh, he's like a souffle Napoleon! Cadet Barkus! Cadet Dorcas! You two baked me into existence with brilliance, but brilliance must be trained. No mess, just clean training. He sparkles like a parade float with an attitude. If he starts assigning homework drills, I'm gonna pass out. Oh, don't pass out. First order of business. Strategy session. Strategy session. Objective, cosmic bottle acquisition. Strategy session. Ooh, yeah, just like that. We already almost got it. Then it flew away. It was dramatic and very sparkly. Just like that. We did get some power, though. And now we have a Meringue Major War Commander Dessert General Glitter King? Correct. Rank, Major Meringue. Specialty, whipped combat and tactical whimsy. Left, right, whip, fold, whip, no lumpy work, I see everything. I feel dizzy but powerful. If y'all are done turning dessert into drill practice, I got cosmic waffles going stale in here. Cadets? Yes, sir, yes, sir. We march toward destiny and remember the creed. We do not deflate. Forward, left, toward the magic bottle of eternity. Forward, left, that way. Oops, what? Wait a minute. I don't know. I should have stayed in gravy school. Ooh, honey, this mist is thicker than a glitter milkshake. Who's got style? I've got style. Bottle's been a closet for a while. Yeah. Ooh, do. Shh. Sugar, you look like a firework married a disco planet and have fashion babies. Baby, my bottle burped up my wardrobe like bloop kapoof, sparkle avalanche, 1,000 years trapped, closet still fierce. Oh my cosmic cupcake! So that rumbling earlier wasn't danger? It was you? Closet hiccuping dimension glitter? Yep. And I found these pants and I said, bless my bedazzled bangles. These hips deserve mirrors. Ooh. Whoa! Whoa. Those hips deserve their own orbit, darling. Why, thank you. And your feathers, feather-tastic, feather phenomenal, feather funky, feather phenomenal, feather funky. I know, I woke up cute today. The universe confirmed it. Look at you! By the 7 sparkly sands of Bloom. Whoa, honey! The bottle just did a wardrobe drive-by. Love it, love it, love it! Wow, did I just get a mystic makeover burst? Love, 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 love the new outfit. Better than that mystic makeover you got. Cosmic couture. This outfit says I can summon storms and do the hustle. Sheesh! The universe really said, shine bright and strike lightning, baby. Starlight, sparkle, smoocheroonie. My behind is a celestial weapon. Oh, no way. Not again. Oh. Yes. Well, slap my sparkles and call me sequins. Honey, you look like the entire treasury of a disco kingdom. I do feel like a glamorous moon cookie. A powerful moon cookie. Sugar, if the universe gives you fashion planets, you let them orbit. Oh, you're a constellation of couture. Accept it. I swear, if this bottle keeps giving me wardrobe upgrades, I'm gonna have to rent a closet comet. Correction, we're getting you a closet nebula. Whoa. Oh, I love whole it. Thing. Spark control thing. That wasn't fashion magic. That sounded like plot escalation. And baby, when the plot escalates, so do we. Come on, let's find my bottle before Poopy and the Pout Squad can get it. Oh, new villain group name. I'll embroider jackets later. Confound it. That glowing goose mat Dorcas printed out sent us straight through a swamp, a cow pasture, and a cotton picking gift shop that only sold socks. And none of the socks were even villain colors. What the kind of clue was that? Wow, 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 wow. Hey! I bet that Peach knows something. Get it. Well, tickle my teapot and fluff my glitter pillows. They just chase the Peach like it owes them rent. Sugar, if they're hunting produce now, this crest is gonna be entertaining. Is that another burp? A kazoo? And the bottle continues to make fashion and nonsense happen. Finally, a clue! About time this ridiculous planet did something useful. Poopy, I told you this was... Don't call me Poopy! Right, sugar sprinkle stink bomb. Not bitter. No eggs. We don't want eggs. We want the bottle. Look! Ancient cosmic text! It says, beware ye seek who seek the vessel of infinite glittery doom!
Who seeketh the bottle of glimmered eternity?
Silence, Goofoot.
Speak thy intentions true. What dost thou desire of the bottle's power?
Ha! Easy! I want the bottle so I can... help people? Help people? And I wanted to make sparkly cosmic cupcakes and overthrow boredom.
Your desires are deeply questionable, yet chaos has purpose too. Proceed to the next trial, if you dare.
Bridge, please. I've sprinted on this. Remember the Cardinal Gauntlet? The whole Cardinal incident. Poopy, this is destiny! Say it again, and you're walking home. Was that yelling and marshmallow thunder drama? Careful! One wrong step and we fall into the abyss of weird comic sparkles and who knows what. Don't worry, Poopy! Oh, Nadia? But I said stop calling me that! Oh, wait. Wait. Where is that mushy marshmallow? Why did we cross this bridge for? To get to the other side! We were duped!